Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meningkatkan hasil belajar siswa, mata pelajaran matematika, materi ciri-ciri bangun datar, kelas 4 SD Negeri 2 Wameo melalui penerapan metode min mapping. Skripsi Rois 31501031. Program Studi Pendidikan Guru Sekolah Dasar, Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan Universitas Muhammadiyah Buton Bau-Bau 2020. Chapter 1 Preliminary A. Background. In this interaction, they teach as a mover or guide with student XI reference or those or are guided. This interaction process will lem well if many students are active compared to the teacher in the delivery of mathematics learning material. It is necessary to design an appropriate learning strategy, namely the child will get new experiences in the lesson beside the student will comfortable. They for it education cannot be separated from the learning process because the above educational goals can go through a learning process according a educational institutions, namely school. Rumusan masalah. Problem formulation. How to improve student achievement in mathematics subject matter of life. Well, characteristic will the application of mapping elementary school 2 Wameo. Research purpose. The goal to be achieved in this study is to improve student achievement in mathematics subject with equivalent fraction by applying the mapping SD Negeri 2 Wameo. The benefit of research for student. 2. Increase student activity in math lesson, and this math is fun learning. For teacher. 2. Increase quality and instinct in learning mathematics they might mapping method. For school. 2. As a contribution from school principals and other school in the context of improving the mathematics learning process. Bab 2. Landasan teori. A. Teori description. 1. Mathing learning achievement according to Sri Barata dalam kurung 2014.2 plus 237 belas kurung. In this book it is explained they A. Learning brings change. B. The main thing is to get enough skill. C. They change school because of for dalam kurung deliberately. As for they teach that encourage someone to learn, it is as flow. A. Curiosity and waiting to investigate a clear word. B. There is a creative they exist in human and they design in always to advance. C. There is a desire to get conclusions from friends, teacher, and friend. D. There is a desire to fix failure with new effort. 2. Factor they affect learning achievement are interfactors, namely factor they come from within student include physiological and psychological factor. Psychological factor are how they condition of jasmani and so on. B. Internal factor, namely factor originating from outside the student themselves include environmental factor and instrument including curriculum, lesson material, cheater, atau teaching, administratif atau manajemen facility. 3. Maths and studying. Matematik according to Rose Fendi in Ruman dalam kurung 2013.1 dalam balas kurung, using mathematics is a living symbol of science by a regular structured pattern. Maths goals. Einstein mathematical concept explain the relationship between concept and product concept, or algorithm flexible, accurate, efficient, and precise in problem solving. Using of partner and train perform mathematical manipulation in making generalization constructive from or executing mathematical ideas and statements. 5. Math benefits. By learning mathematical, humans can solve problem they exist in society. Mathematical is taught in school because mathematical can create a field of study. Mathematical is useful as a sport for the use of infant tools such as calculator and computer. 6. Elementary mathematical learning objective. Understand mathematical concept and implication in mathematical can be explained precisely and accurately in problem solving. Using reasoning on pattern and primes in reasoning, students are explain evidence in problem solving. Solving problem as well as reasoning mathematical learning with problem solving ability. B. Method mind mapping. 1. Understanding of mind mapping method. The mind mapping method can be interpreted as a learning method by making interesting and fun notes by following both sides of the brain to product notes consisting of more colors, lines, and pictures on a black white sheet of paper. Dalam ada brain, timma, awareness, imagination, dreaming, color, dimensions, left brain, war, logging, number, sequence, learning, analysis. 2. Characteristic of mind mapping method. Landscape oriented plain while paper. Using chloride markets with a total of about the 7 chlor, so they its branch has a different chlor. Lai using a curvet line whose shape described from the base. 3. Method step mind mapping. They picture learning identify they call and learning material for today. They picture explain the learning material. 4. Method advantage and disadvantage essence. Ways to understand and advance in solving problems. The produce of drawing diagrams can give rise to other ideas. Diagram tests who've been from can be a guide from writing. Deficiency. Only active students are involved, not Stanley student who learns. The number of detailed information cannot be internet. C. Learning results. SD Negeri 2 Wameo license the school obtained the learning at Kames receipt. System student 90% will discuss complete learning and the average value of student learning of Kalmes reset 25 student or 960,6% of student were learned complex learning. D. From of my Asian condition learning outcomes are still while this recently is counted by factors, namely less active student in the patient in the learning process. Past Asian expression vary out mathematical learning method mind mapping dalam kurung peta pikiran final condition mathematical learning outcome interest. Bab 3 recent method. A reset time location. This reset was generated out in the 4th grade of Wameo 2 Public Elementary School on Maret 1 2020. B. Subjek dan objek penelitian. Subjek penelitian ini adalah sistem dengan jumlah siswa 12 siswa laki-laki sejumlah 15 orang, perempuan 13 orang. C. Reset prosedur. Develop a plan of action dalam kurung planning. Terus action, acting, pengamatan, observing. Refleksi dalam kurung reflecting. Bab 4 reset. Bab 4 reset terus result and indication. Reset result they reset kidantet at SD Negeri 2 Wameo with the recent subject of class 5 student was 25 student and 11 female student. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.